Things you should never mix with water. Mascara, sodium metal, witches. But do you know what really shouldn't have water added to it? Laundry detergent. Laundry detergents like these contain up to 80% water, which is why they're so heavy. And this is how much waste the average family creates in a lifetime just from buying laundry detergent. Introducing Tru Earth Eco Strips. Step 1, tear off a pre-measured strip of this concentrated liquidless detergent. Step 2, throw it in your washing machine. And step 3, girl, go reward yourself for saving the planet. And since Tru Earth takes up a fraction of the space, you can use your shelves for more important things. Join the movement. Be part of the solution instead of the problem. Click below right now to try Tru Earth Eco Strips today.